Hello everyone. If you are AI enthusiast, if you are AI lover, if you are AI, any word you can use, then you are welcome to this channel because we'll be talking about everything that will make your life easy. But today I'm so interested in what I saw. That is Leonardo AI post. This is about 19 hours ago and 34,396 people follow us. All right, I've already been saying what I'm saying here. Double drop at leonardo.ai. Now, Motion 2.0 is here. Now, this is going to be lovely. For those of you that are familiar with Leonardo AI, you'll know that this is a big one. This is a big one. So video just got up. You can see they've upgraded with Motion 2.0. So you can now easily generate video from the new AI creation interface. Create video either with a simple text prompt or from your images. So that means this is what I'm saying. Runway 2 is doing something. I've already doing something similar to this. So to all this AI, the powerhouse of AI, they're actually giving us the best of their capacity. So I'm so excited. I'll be touching on all of them here. All of them. When I say all of them, you're going to see. It's taking me a long time to start this channel back. I want to give the best to my viewers because that's all about. So if you're ready, let's go through it. I'm just going to take you through. You two can see right now. This is live. And if you go to their site, you will see that this is also live. Now, this is a premium account. So you can see introducing Motion 2.0 and Flux Element Training available now. So this is the homepage of Leonardo. This is the inside page of Leonardo AI. Motion 2.0 has arrived. Easily generate videos just as we read before. So please note, Motion 2.0 are only accepted on a paid plan. So if you don't have a paid plan, for those on a master plan, you can enjoy the benefit of unlimited Motion 2.0 and one-page generation at a relaxed rate when your token run out. So almost everybody love this. So that is it. So let's go. So if you have your account, this is the inside of Leonardo AI. So you see the interface is lovely. Everything is changed. So we'll be touching all this. We'll be touching all of them. I just want to get this information across to you that things have changed. Leonardo is hyping their game. I use Leonardo almost every time, and it's amazing what it's giving me. So we're all going to enjoy this new tool that's just come out. I just want to let you know. So my next video is going to go into a lot of tutorial that will give us that understanding of what this is all about. So get ready. If you don't know how to use Leonardo, if you don't know how to use Runway, if you don't know almost some major AI tools, this is the channel you need to stick with. And I mean it. You're going to see everything. And I plan to upload videos as frequently as possible. So what I've just done today is just the introductory back to to Leonardo, and there will be a lot of, like I said, there will be a lot of tutorial on Leonardo and other AI, show you some secrets, things that they don't want you to know about, and I can assure you that you'll be glad that you are back on this station. So thank you so much for your patience, everybody, and we are ready for a ride. We're good for that. So next video is going to be more on tutorials, in-depth tutorials. Thank you so much. God bless.